Hey, good morning, guys. This is Stryderprime. I was about to make some coffee when I woke up this morning, but after finding out this recent announcement of some new series coming out, now I'm awake. This new series is called Gundam Build Divers. And on Tag Hobbies, here's a video, which I'm not going to play. You guys can go online and look it up. It's on Tag Hobbies. It's on YouTube under Gundam Info. And, you know, we have these new characters. This kid right here, and this little girl. Another girl here. Can't tell if that's a girl or a boy. And he could be the protagonist, evil protagonist. I don't know. But now we're looking at a new mobile suit. Definitely we see a variant of the 00 Gundam. That's interesting. Very interesting. And the variant of the Age 2. Wow. Let me see here. Yeah, here's more pictures of it. The anime pictures, that is. Then we have a very interesting variant of the well, I would call it the Stryderprime, but different head, obviously. Side weapon, side boosters and leg boosters. These little things here reminds me of, I guess, the one that's on the GPO2. Or GPO, sorry, not GPO, yeah, maybe, no, GPO1 or 2. One of those two. And of course, I'm surprised that we're getting this, the carpool, or the carpool. But is it me, or just look like a, why it has duck feet? I know I meant it to be cute, but that's weird. Very weird. Here's more of the Age 2. Grimgird comes into play. I love this military look to it. Very nice, especially it's using the backpack of the 8th MS team. I forgot the name of this movie, but it was from the second season of 00 Gundam. I was never a big fan of that mobile suit for whatever reason, but I kind of dig it now. I love those massive swords back there. Wow, this is pretty nice. A different version of the Cerevi. Oh, wait a minute. Isn't those from the pylon weaponry set from the ship? Oh, I wonder if they're funnel bits or something like that. Here's the official artwork banner. Yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much it, but now we're gonna have to look at each model kit now. This is referred to as the Gundam Age 2 Magnum, 1800 yen, around 15, 16 bucks, 20 bucks around here. Very cool, good design. I love the color style. Yeah, clearly this is going to be a parts format because it's going to retain the same ability in the high grade version than it was in the master grade. Whether they'll make this as a master grade, you know, that's too early to say. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Cool. The other one, let's see the other one. Then we have this one called the GM3 Beammaster. So it's the GM3. Okay, I say like the Stryderprime, but it's the BM3, and it has this cannon Gatling gun type setup, which is attached to that waist unit, or it can detach. Good boosters in the back. Good. I hate this. Every now and then, that does that for a while. Let me see what. All right, here we go. Then, of course, this is the lead suit, and it's called the Gundam 00 Diver, or no, not Diver, Driver, Gundam 00 Driver. Now this could be, you know what? Oh no, it says Diver here. So hey, I don't know. I think it's Driver. It's Diver, because it's based off the series. So it's not Driver. It's Diver. And it uses the same swords from the original 00. There is slight variations on the shoulders, chest, head, of course. What's it using the beam magnum from Unicorn? Does that include with the set? It doesn't show. I see different types of hands. I wonder if this is going to be one of those kits that later on down the road you'll get the support weapon, so you can make it the 00, maybe the 00 Diver. Isn't that what we're just right now? Hold on, because I called it 00 Diver, and well, the Grimoire Red Beret, Red Beret, 1800 yen. Now you know, I haven't built mine yet, so you know people are going to start painting it in this color. But it's interesting, it has these unique slicing type manipulators here. Wow. And it has wheels in its feet for mobility. A nice shield, the backpack of course. And wait, what's this? What? What are these? These are like little mobile heads. Oh my god. Oh my god. I see a theme. Aw, they're so cute. Alright, Bandai. I give you one with that. Cool. Alright, let's go to the next page. It's taking a long time to load because obviously everybody's probably getting psyched to this new series. Come on, open up, open up, open up. But Grim, good to see that they're recycling, of course, kits from the age line. I'm sorry, age line. The age line and the Reconguista series. Oh wow, this is taking forever to load. So we now see a new weapon set known as the Change Ring Rifle. Unfortunately, they don't have a picture here that's expanded out so you could see, so it's only on this little thumbnail that they showed before, right here. But clearly there's some weaponry that you can connect. Let's look at the Cerevi Gundam. It's called the Cerevi Gundam Shahad. Ooh, I like that bullpup gun. Look at that. That's really nice. Then you have these. Okay, these are from the ship. That's from the ship. So I wonder, can you actually make the ship a miniature version of the ship? Hold on. No, it doesn't show. But I wonder if you can. But I think that this is this kit's version of like funnel bits or mobile weaponry. Because right here you see it right there. Yeah. I need to see more pictures. So far, I am enjoying each one of these mobile suits. But yeah, this one is pretty cool. This is the other one. The one that I don't remember the name. Probably somebody's going to post it, of course. And it's called the Ogre. Very appropriate. And I love these massive beam swords. These like thick beam swords. Oh my god. So wait a minute. It has beam swords, but it also has beam effect parts in its shoulders and its arms. Spikes kind of reminiscent to the Titus. It's even though it's not, even though this mobile suit is based off Seed, I'm assuming Seed. Wow, that's actually really nice. Ooh, I like that. Very nice. Now we look at this one, and it's called the Momo Capsule. Momo. Oh! Is that a horror ball? So we have a mole suit within a mole suit? Okay, they're getting into the cute theme pretty well here. That's kind of nice. Maybe we'll finally get the carpool. Here's some weapon sets for the 00 diver. Oh, like those swords and the backpack. There it is right there. And then we have this one called the tilt rotor. This reminds me of the rotary vehicle that was in Dugrum, I think it is, but it's also, I remember it from the model kit, from the oh, what do you call it, from Robotech. When they did the Robotech Defender models for Revell, there was this little helicopter vehicle that it uses to carry the mobile suits. That is cool. I love that. I absolutely love that. And ooh, it comes with sword blades. Is that it? Is that part of this? Hold on. Oh yeah. This, not sword, chainsaw. A chainsaw weaponry. Sold. You got me sold. You got me sold. Alright. Well. Gundam Build Divers has gotten me sold for this. I hope you guys have gotten sold as well. Let me refresh the screen just in case to see if anything came up. No, that's it. Alright, so go to Gundam Info and look at the video. It's an hour video, but just advance it along. You'll see, all the, all the kits, all the characters, and there's a video. There's a prologue video. It's on Tag Hobbies, and of course it's on YouTube. So tell me what you guys think of this new series. It's a new series. It's not an OVA. It's not a 15-minute short. I think we're going to be having a great year for us Gundam modelers. So I'd like to thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam news or Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.